what you just have to do is what? Click on top up. When you click on top up, you select card, put $20. You see, you receive an equivalent of 13,158. So then, of course, I select MasterCard debit. I put in my card details real fast. And then I click on pay securely. So I copy my OTP. SMS is here. So paste my OTP. And I click on submit. Okay. You see, you've sent money to your account successfully. And let's go to P2P right now. I can use my CUDA. So I fill in my CUDA account details. So guys, I just received my money now. I just received my payment. So let me just log in quickly and show you guys. You send this to your Nigerian bank account. You see, I've received it. So you can see the profit is just incredible. 2,943, okay, on just $20. Okay. Now let us just multiply this by 5. Let's say you do 100 for $100. Okay. You can see you are making 14,716.
What a friend! Your destiny lies in your hands, so brother. No go talk say na person dey do you, brother. Biko make you hustle, one nemo. Ewo, yo yo yo, edi kwansa bio bio. Edi kwansa bio bio. Edi kwansa bio bio. Isu kamala medie bio bio. Greetings to you, my viewers. It is I, Waterfred1, and I'm here to teach you how to make more than 13,000 Naira profits on just a $100 arbitrage without buying cryptocurrency. On this one, you just use your Naira card to buy US dollars on an app called Fiat Finance. Then sell the US dollars back to Naira on the P2P method on that same Fiat Finance. And then you can withdraw both your capital and your profits. You can sign up on Fiat Finance via the link in my video description here on YouTube. And if you're watching this video outside YouTube, I am Waterfred1 on YouTube. While performing this arbitrage, I highly recommend you use cards that belong to you alone because you may be asked to prove ownership of the card. Please watch the video till the end so you don't get confused while performing the arbitrage. Without wasting any further time, let's do this.
So guys, I'll be using my Stanbic IBTC MasterCard to do this. So before we start, I would love to log into my mobile app and show you my balance before I start. So in my balance, I have 15,535 Naira. So I've recorded this amount, exactly this amount here. So right now, let me quickly go to the website. So I go to my browser, I type the website, open a new tab. So this website is still in my video description, and then I log in. I recommend you use the website to do this, not just the app. So I recommend the website. So now when you are here, it is pretty simple. What you just have to do is what? Click on top up. When you click on top up, you select card. And then you click here and select USD. Okay. I love tapping up in USD. So I'll put $20. You see, you receive an equivalent of 13,158. So using a UK bank, that's if you're using a UK bank, but I'm not using a UK bank. So click on top up. By clicking next, confirm the card belongs to you, blah, blah, blah. Make sure it belongs to you. So because they may ask for extra verification. And then of course I select MasterCard debit. And I put in my card details real fast. And then I click on pay securely. I wait for OTP. Okay. So I copy my OTP. SMS is here. So paste my OTP. And I click on submit. Okay. You see, you've sent money to your account successfully. We'll email you when it arrives. So I have successfully deposited in my Fiat account. So I click on what? Got it. If you look here, you see that I have what I have here. You see I have 18.41 euros here inside here. What we are going to do first of all is for me to go and check my account balance and know how much we are charged. So I got charged 10,200 Naira, okay, for $20. So we are going to check total sold and we're going to check profits that we made, okay, because we are going to definitely be in profits. Okay, total profits. So now it's time to sell. So let us go back real quick. This is the amount we are charged. Let's go back real quick here. Okay, let me refresh real quick. And let's go to P2P right now. So since I have, what I'm just going to do now is, since I have 18 DUSD and the rate is 731, let us do a quick maths. I have 18 DUSD and the rate is 731. I will be receiving 13,158. Okay, yeah, 13,158. But as a sharp guy, I will type 13,150 to avoid when you have such figures of the, just type 18,150. Okay, this is just fine. And then I can use my CUDA, so I fill in my CUDA account details. So I click on submit. Please check out the details well. Okay, so I click on confirm. So I'll put in my authenticator code. So make sure you always turn on your two-factor authenticator. Okay. Okay, you see your order is being processed. After 24 hours, please check your bank account and confirm that you've received the money. Actually, it comes faster than this. Okay, it comes faster than this, but maximum 24 hours. So guys, I just received my money now. I just received my payment. So let me just log in quickly and show you guys. You've sent this to your Nigerian bank account. You see, I've received it. So click on fund received. Also, we're happy to let you know. So go to top up. Let me go back. You can see if I click here, you will see that transaction is now what completed. You see it's completed. Well, let's subtract the total we are charged from the total that we sold. So 13,1438. So 13,143.38. So this is total that we sold, subtract by total that we bought. So you can see the profit is just incredible. 2,943, okay, on just $20. Okay, 2,943 on just $20. You can imagine the profit. This is just so sweet and amazing. Okay, now let us, on just $20, I got this 2,009. Now let us just multiply this by 5. Let's say you do 100 for $100. Okay, you can see you are making 14,716. You can imagine the profit, 14,700 on just $100. Have you seen any arbitrage as sweet as this? So now just I just want to bring this to your notice, guys. I love sharing when we get updates like this. So thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you did not enjoy this one, smash dislike twice and tell me why in the comment section. And please share my video on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms so other people too can gain value from the videos that I share online. Thanks once more for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next one. Peace.